Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our latest offering. It's a really lovely 1962 AUSTIN-HEALEY 3000 Mark II triple carb four-seater. So this was the last of the side curtain cars, triple carb, super desirable. This is a side shift car. It's finished in black, red leather trim, 4-speed overdrive, 60-spoke chrome wheels, super restored tri-carb four-seater in brilliant colors here. We purchased this car actually about 3 or 4 years ago from Florida. It received a ground-up restoration there in 2015. We sold it to a client in Nevada. It's now back here for sale, but just a wonderful car that runs, drives, stops, steers, does everything perfectly. Very well sorted triple carb four-seater in this spectacular rich black trim, rich black paintwork with this lovely red leather upholstery. So let's do this slow walk around here. You can tell here paint's absolutely fabulous. He took delivery of the car and he took it to his paint specialist, and they did about $3 grand worth of paint correction and just little detailing and polishing, and I think they treated it with a ceramic coating. So paintwork is really exceptional on this one. As part of the restoration, the car received all new chrome, brand new windshield, as you can see here, new body rubber kit. But yeah, really good gaps, really great car to start with. This we've got the heritage certificate the heritage certificate on this car, and it shows a Los Angeles delivery, so it was delivered new in California, and that's what they wanted to start with when they did a full restoration approximately 10 years ago. They started with this fantastic California car, rotisserie restoration, suspension, engine, driveline, wiring, paint, chrome, rubber interior, fuel system, braking system, suspension. But yeah, really a final finish, top-notch, restored BT7 in fantastic colors here. So 132 horsepower, front disc brakes. This model was kind of the final variation of the side curtain car. It was the most comfortable, the most powerful. Behind here is stowed away the black cloth soft top, black vinyl tonneau cover. But what's nice about this car is Wilton wool carpets throughout. And then they bought a full hide, so I think they did leather, complete 100% leather interior. Nice black rubber mats fitted. Mileage shows 77,000, which we believe is original to the car. Post-restoration, probably only 5,000, if that. But really lovely, striking BT7 triple carb, fog lamps, badge bar, wonderful badge here. Looks like a St. Christopher badge. Let's take a look at the car's engine compartment. Yeah, to do a restoration like this today, you're probably looking at 100 grand and at least a 18-month wait time, and you just pray nothing goes wrong in those 18 months where costs can scale out of control. But yeah, this car's available here, turnkey, ready to go, beautiful condition throughout, fully restored. You can see here all the detailing is pretty much close to Concord, correct clips, clamps. There's that beautiful triple carb setup. VIN tag, body tag, and you can see all the finishes here. It's just pretty spectacular. This is what I like to see, is the back of all the original panels, just in perfect condition. No hammer marks, just a really virgin body, great fitting grille. As you can see under here, new wiring harness, rebuilt mechanicals, nice auxiliary fan that's been fitted. Let me push that bonnet stay. There we go. Yeah, so really wonderful car. Check out that driving video. This car just purrs, runs really sweet, smooth, quiet, strong. Probably still enjoying some break-in miles here from the new driveline. Yeah, undercarriage, all restored. Like I said, to replicate this car today is probably a six-digit value. To purchase a Project BT7 and then commission a complete ground-up restoration like this car has here. Very, very good value. This car is a great investment to park your money right now. www.kurttannermotorcars.com. Fresh to the market. Very, very good opportunity.